So I'm here at USF Botanical Gardens and wanted to highlight, look, Florida Privet with its lovely ripe fruits right on time at the end of winter when food offerings are sparse. Wax myrtle and Florida Privet shine. But you can also see, look at these galls. I'd never seen a gall on Florida Privet before, but clearly galls will also lay eggs here, so this is another potential forage for baby birds. And there's lots of galls, you know, no shortage of them on this specimen that looks, you know, several years old and mature. And you can see more galls from this side. Here's even like a flower that's fading. You know, they're not super pretty and showy on this particular species, but man, are they aromatic and fragrant. These can reach about 15 feet in height. You'll also notice, right, look at all these berries, and some aren't ripe, but a few of them, you know, I'm not sure exactly what this quality is called in plants, where some fruits ripen earlier and some ripen later. They don't all ripen at the same time. This is an adaptation which would obviously increase spreading of seeds so that the same animal doesn't come by and eat all the fruits in one sitting, because not all of them are ripe at the same time. And some plants, you know, will produce toxins that break down as the fruit becomes ready when the seeds are viable and it's ready for the seeds to be spread. But I mean, look at all this food for birds. Florida Privet is also dioecious, so there are males and females, and only the female, so we know this is a female producing fruit, and this is probably a male next to it with no fruit on it. So, you know, even though females produce fruit, and that seems like a greater ecological benefit, and certainly that is important, but males produce pollen, and pollen is essential for native bees and pollinating insects, some of which must gather that pollen to put into the cells to feed to their young. So it's a little bit changed my perspective on male or female and which one I would choose. If I only had one, I used to only plant females. Now I go exactly the opposite direction.